I'm betting on every single NBA game this season. Let's see how we did on the 13 games yesterday. First, Isaiah Stewart over 8.5 points, gets there easily, gets to 10. I say easily because he had 6 in the first quarter and then kind of limped across the finish line. But really happy with Reed. No Jalen Duren there for Detroit. Next, Brandon Miller over 19.5 points, gets to 29. Had a big second half to get there. I think he only had 9 at halftime, but really liked his matchup there. Next, Zion, unfortunately, was a push. He didn't play. Next, Donovan Mitchell over 24.5 points, only gets to 12. Cleveland scored like 80 points in the first half, and somehow Donovan Mitchell only had 7 of them. And then it was a blowout. He didn't play much in the second half. So that one goes under. Next, Karl-Anthony Towns over 22.5, gets to 32. That one was an easy one. Continued to target that matchup for Towns. He's been playing really well lately. Next, Dennis Schroeder over 3.5 first quarter points also hits. His game total also would have hit in overtime with 20, but he gets 2 buckets in the first quarter. I think 4 or 5 shots in the first quarter to get to the over. Kevin Durant over 29.5 points plus assists. This is the second time in a row that I've gotten a KD prop by literally 1. He hits a 3 late in the fourth quarter to get to the over. Really liked that line for him. Next, Zach Edey over 2.5 points at plus 110. Gets there and gets to his game total, but it was kind of sketchy. He didn't start the game. It was a weird situation, but he gets to the over 2.5 points in the first quarter. Next, Alperen Sengun under 17.5 points against Oklahoma City. Continue to target Oklahoma City unders against fives. Centers have really struggled against OKC this season. That continues with Sengun. Next, DeAndre Ayton to make a 3 at plus 325. Did not hit. He had a 3 in the first quarter and then just played terrible and really didn't play that much in the second half. So not many opportunities for him. Jokic over 41.5 points plus rebounds, gets to 41. That one's unfortunate. Great matchup for him against Miami. It just missed it by a point. Sometimes that happens. De'Aaron Fox over 22.5 points, gets to 31. And then Anthony Davis over 27.5 points, gets to 31. So we are 9-3 with a push on the night. And honestly, other than the Mitchell one, we easily could have swept. Really happy with that one. A couple of games today, looking for a sweep.